And we got one jump in the lights. Hope you get hit by a bus, you twat. Jump in the lights. Oh, jump in the lights. And jump in the lights again. Jump in the lights. Oh, jump in the lights. Jump in the lights. You idiot. And there's another helping a salmon there on the wrong side of the road as well. Jump in the lights. Jump in the lights. I'm cycling on the pavement there. Jump in the lights. Jump in the lights. Unregistered motor vehicle. Jump in the lights. Another one, jump in the lights. And there's one cycling on the pavement there. Huzzah! And that's undertaking there. Fucking dickhead. Jump in the lights and on the pavement. What a wanker. Another one jump in the lights. Supposed to stop back there behind the line till the lights change. Jump in the lights. One on the wrong side of the road. Up on the pavement, right in front of that kid. Scumbag, doesn't know how a baseball cap works either. That's alright, red lights don't apply to you. Fucking arseholes. Red lights not apply to you then. This one can't turn the road on the pavement. Fucking arsehole. And now he's going the wrong way. Pair of dickheads. Just jump in the lights and on the pavement. Oh, jump in the lights. There's one cycling on the pavement. Jump in the lights. There's one on the pavement there. And there's one going the wrong way down a one-way street. What a plonker! Jump in the lights! Jump in the lights! Another one, jump in the lights! Jump in the lights! Oh, jump in the lights! Scumbag! One cycling on the pavement. Another one cycling on the pavement. And there's another one jump in the lights.